I'm introducing to some a pioneer in STEM, Baltimore native, physicist, inventor, and HBCU graduate. Dr. Valerie L. Thomas is here with us today. We want to celebrate our pioneers not only during Black History Month, but especially now. African Americans have made tremendous contributions to this world, from the gas mask, traffic light, ultraviolet camera, even refrigerated trucks, to name a few. Dr. Valerie L. Thomas is an inventor and patent holder of the illusion transmitter. This is the technology for 3D imaging. Let's hear from Dr. Valerie L. Thomas herself.
Okay, I'm Dr. Valerie L. Thomas, retired NASA mathematician for 31 years. I'm very focused on education outreach. I think it's very important to share information with our young people so that they can learn and take it to the next level. And that's my goal. Thing is, I went to NASA, I got hired as a mathematician data analyst. And I was responsible for writing programs for computer. I had never seen a computer before in my life, except in science fiction movies. So I was starting from scratch. And I made a decision that I was going to learn everything about computers, inside and out. And that's what I did. That's what I focused on. Okay, I have a patent for the illusion transmitter. And I was working on that in the mid-70s, 1970s. What had happened was I had gone to some event, I can't remember what it was. All I know is there were people showing different kinds of what we call STEM now, but we call science and technology activities, introducing young people to the various types of activities. And I happened to see something and it wasn't something I was watching, it's something that caught my attention. I just happened to see it. You know, when you look in a mirror and you see yourself, you're looking at a virtual image and it looks like you're inside the mirror. And for the real image, the image forms in front of the mirror. So it's outside of the mirror. And once I understood that, and then my experience at that time at NASA was working on image processing. So like images, they look like pictures, photographs, they're just zeros and ones. And I started putting them together and came up with the idea of the illusion transmitter. Now, for the illusion transmitter, what I had in mind was, imagine having a TV. You know, if you have a TV, like now, it's a little different. It's not obvious, but it used to be, you'd have a TV, you plug it in, you have an antenna, so you have signals coming from wherever the imagery was being produced, and it would come to your TV through the antenna, and then you have the imagery on the screen. So my idea was, you have the image coming through the same way it would come ordinarily. Like now you don't have antennas. You have other ways of getting the video, but have the video, when it comes, instead of being projected on a screen, it would be projected in the air. So you could see the imagery in the air and you would not need to have special glasses. I have one piece of advice I would give to young girls who are interested in STEM or want to have a career in STEM. Learn and understand all the math you can. Because once you do that, you have flexibility to go in any direction in STEM and be good and master it. So that's my advice. Learn, understand as much math as you can.